Hi students, have you encountered a situation where you think you know your contents, but when you start doing questions, you just couldn't answer them? The main reasons why students struggle with chemistry is that there are gaps in their learning, and these gaps are preventing them from having the full understanding. Let me give you an example. Suppose you're building a jigsaw puzzle, and all you have are small pieces of jigsaw. Each piece represents only a small information, but when the pieces are connected together, it will reveal a different picture altogether. Chances are, you're holding onto fragmented pieces of information, not getting the full understanding, and not able to effectively apply concepts to questions. But trust me, once you start connecting the pieces together, things will fall into place. Let us show you how this is done in our upcoming June crash course. We're so confident it will work for you that we're offering you a full money back guarantee. So click on the link below to sign up for the classes now.